One of my areas of expertise is pavement design, and I'm very concerned with both the governor's proposed budget and roadway spending priorities. I firmly support, I've read it from cover to cover, the continuous improvements in delivering our transportation program that are recommended in the Legislative Audit Bureau's report. But my biggest concern with the proposed transportation program is I don't feel that it will address the structural deficiencies that we face. The conditions of Wisconsin roadways are well below other states in the region and the national average. The audit report says that only 32.3% of our roads are in good condition, compared to 63.4% nationally. Now, the really scary part is the governor's proposed budget and DOT plan is to all but eliminate new roadway projects, except for a couple big ones that are already underway, and reconstruction projects, and instead focus their efforts on maintenance and pavement preservation. Now, this sounds good, but I can tell you that as a pavement engineer, that if you overlay a failed pavement with new asphalt, you're going to be sorely disappointed within a year with a refurbished road that is cracked and still failing. Pavement preservation works great when 63% of your roads are in good condition, but with only 32% in good condition here in Wisconsin, we need to fix the problems for the long term first and not just kick them down the road to after the next election. And borrowing is not an appropriate way to pay for these system-wide fixes. On state buildings, I'm concerned that we're also kicking the can down the road. Deferred maintenance is killing us, costing 2, 3, 4 times what it should. I'm also disappointed that the governor removed the only building recommended by the UW system from his budget, a new engineering building here on UW Platteville campus. My firm hires Platteville grads across our Wisconsin offices and our other 19 offices across the Midwest. I recently recruited here at the UW Platteville Spring Career Fair, and the 50-plus engineers that came to my booth came from every corner of the state, only 1 or 2 coming from southwest Wisconsin. So Platteville educates a quarter of the engineers attending Wisconsin universities, and their program's growing and busting at the seams. The new building they request is an investment in the 21st century workforce of Wisconsin, so I'm asking the Joint Finance and the legislature to please add it back to the budget and move up its construction.